Time now to gear up for Traders Unplugged. Joining us from the floor of CME Group, Alan Knuckman and Scott Shellady. Good morning. And the rally turns 6 on Monday. What could cancel this party?
Well, the first thing, did you know that candy used to be the anniversary gift for the 6th anniversary? Number one, don't fight it. It's going to keep going until it doesn't. This is half of the last big rally that we had from 1987 to 2000. So I'm still looking for more upside.
I agree with Alan, and the reason why is that the only thing that will just derail this will be the Fed. And the Fed would be the one pulling the blanket out from, or the rug out from underneath.
But why would they do that?
So they're not going to do it. We're going to have QE almost
forever.
Yes.
Okay.
And I also think that the economy would be bad enough to derail it. But we have the Fed, so we don't have to worry about it.
It doesn't matter if the market is high or low. You need to trade with risk control, and that's the bigger issue more so than anything.
Topic number 2, Apple activism. Some activists are making a lot of noise, but Apple is pushing back. Who wins this war of words?
We need to pass around some Kleenex here. The war of words is really just a democratic process, which happens to happen in a democratic society, of which someday Alan will be part of.
But that's what they're saying. They're saying if you don't like what Apple's doing, sell it.
If you like it, buy it. That's all.
That's fine. That's nice to see activism on the shareholder side instead of the other way around where they get bullied. So I really like this. Apple's got the lowest volatility it's had in more than 2 years. That's a sign that there's going to be a big move one direction or another. It's been trading between 500 and 575. That target's 650, which is 15% higher. It's a buy.
Topic number 3, past present. What is the better buy here? Twitter or Blackberry?
Oh my God, I'm going to go with Blackberry.
Death is not an option.
Down. Blackberry all the way, because it's all the good news is all the good and bad news has come out of Blackberry. It's got nothing really to do except go up. Your risk reward is way better with Blackberry. Twitter is worth more than say some huge companies.
See this? That's the PE ratio. That's 0.
There you go.
That's it, 0. All right. But we've seen BlackBerry go from 5 to 10 in a month and a half, 2 months, so it's already had a healthy bounce. It was a $67 stock in 2011. I like Twitter leaning on 50 as a trade, but I like BlackBerry as an investment just because it's got a lot of intangible value. It's a brand. Remember the name AOL? They still have a huge amount of revenue. It's still got a name and a brand.
I got 2 words for you: MySpace. Next.
Here's your bonus round question. Former Fed Chair Ben Bernanke earned a reported $250,000 delivering his very first speech as the ex-head of the Fed. What was his salary while at the Federal Reserve? Was it A, $500,000, B, $250,000, or C, $200,000?
There's money to be made in that speaking gig. Bill Clinton made $70 million just from speeches alone since he was the president.
That's not the question. The question was, what was his salary?
Oh, I don't know.
I'm going to guess C, $200,000.
All right, good job, Scott.
You always have to have somebody here to explain it to Alan.
Way to go, guys.
He gets paid for talking.
Our show continues right after this.